Okay, welcome back to the channel. I'll demonstrate today how to remove the rear wheel of Kymco Like. Pero before that, let me share you unbelievable experience during the Feast of the Nazarene last Saturday. I went there. I was so lost trying to find my way home. I was running flat. I had to go to 3 different vulcanizing shops on MMDA or MTPD of Metro Manila. Helped me out with this pump. 2 days later, I saw this coming out already, so I decided I had to replace my tire. Alright, let's get on with it. Word of warning, I already loosened all the bolts so you don't have to sit there and waste your time. We'll start by loosening the nut cap. Dalawa to. You have to reach from the underbelly. You don't have to lie down to see where this thing is. Kakapain mo lang siya and you'll be able to see two or feel two protruding things underneath. Next up, we'll have to remove the exhaust. There are 3 exhaust flange bolts that we'll have to undo. You go around the exhaust. As you can see here, I am removing 1 bolt at a time and putting them in my cheat board. So this is the first bolt, the second one, and the third underneath. Alright, we'll start from this bolt, the one from the lower left underneath the exhaust. So once I remove this, I'll put this in the properly labeled cheat sheet where it says out, which is the outer bolt or the exhaust bolt. And then I will remove the one on the upper right. And finally the one on the lower right. At this point, you can undo the exhaust pipe, free it up, and set it aside. We can now remove the rest of the bolts. And the last bolt to go is the one holding the suspension. Okay, now that I have everything in my cheat sheet, because the bolts are of different sizes, I don't want to make a mistake in returning the wrong one into the wrong place, so I have this sheet. We can now remove the brake line and the brake itself. Now let's go to the left hand side of the scooter and remove this screw. This is the one holding the mudguard. At this point, we'll need a 24mm driver. Alright, after removing, you have access to the bushing. Once you have removed that, you can already grab the wheel and take it out. So once you're done, you have a ready wheel again. Just reverse the video to replace everything back to where they were. Now the important thing here is how you put the collar axle and the washer. I'm showing the picture. Be careful in this. Good luck. Thank you for watching.